Welcome to the W. Galen Weston Center for Food. I'm Tony Doyle, the Dean of the School of Hospitality and Horticultural Science, and I'm so pleased to welcome you today to our virtual open house. The Weston Center is the most unique post-secondary facility of its kind in the country. We mix together post-secondary studies with business operations that include a fine dining restaurant and a retail store. What does that mean to you? It means when you're not studying in a classroom or lab in a culinary, hospitality, food and farming, horticulture, tourism, or special events program, you have opportunities to gain experience in paid or volunteer positions in one of our different business ventures as well. That means when you graduate and go out, you're in demand from employers because of the unique skill set you have. I encourage you to ask lots of questions today and follow up after with any more that you think of later. We're really proud and excited by the work we do here at the Weston Center and encourage you to stay in touch. Thanks. Have a great day.